somewhere in the eastern Pacific, a calm stretch of ocean, until something breaks the silence. Floating silhouettes, large, box-shaped, drifting with the current. When the U.S. Coast Guard cutter Stratton gets close, the truth becomes impossible to ignore. These aren't crates, they're bales. Tightly wrapped blocks of cocaine, deliberately dumped to avoid detection. And if the drugs are here, the smugglers can't be far. Instantly, Stratton's crew goes on alert. This region is a known corridor used by transnational criminal networks to move cocaine north, money that fuels violence, corruption, and terrorism throughout the Western Hemisphere. Minutes later, a suspicious vessel appears on the horizon. Small, fast, 4 men on board, trying to act natural, but failing miserably. The moment they see the Coast Guard speeding toward them, they change direction. A last-second attempt at escape. But there's no room to run. Stratton's fast boat is already on them. Until the smugglers finally give up. No resistance, no fight. They know they've been caught. After an entire day of searching the area for any remaining bundles that might have been thrown overboard, the Coast Guard agents finally reach a conclusion. By the end of the night, they've confirmed the recovery of 17 bales of cocaine, each one a tightly wrapped block of cartel profit drifting in the Pacific. And now, every single bale becomes evidence. Evidence that will be used directly against the traffickers intercepted earlier that day. Dumping the load didn't save them. It only strengthened the case. The 4 suspects are taken into custody. Their operation dismantled. Their journey now headed straight toward the United States, where federal prosecutors are waiting. If you want more real-life interdictions like this, hit subscribe. You won't want to miss the next one.